This quick video is about how to permanently delete your BeReal account by using iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First, open your BeReal app. Here just click your profile. Now you can see these three dots. Touch that. Here just tap other. Now you can see the delete account option. Just click that. If you delete your account, immediately your account will be logged out, and after 15 days, your BeReal account will be permanently deleted. If you again log in within 15 days, your account will be safe. That's the procedure. And here you can choose any option if you wish. I choose others. Then if you tap as I'm sure, that's it, you are done. For now I don't need that, so I just end here. This is how you delete your BeReal account permanently. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.